What's going on YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, here I have a Cupkit LE100 Edger. Lawn and bed edger with 159cc. I don't know, Honda knockoff maybe? I haven't really done any digging on it, but that's what I'm going to guess. So we are doing, it will not run, it will not start. So I'm going to take the easy path. I'm going to check spark and compression on at the same time. Filter looks good. We're going to check it. I'm going to spray some brake parts cleaner right off in here and see if it'll bust off. That choke is, let's see if I can get that choke to open. Oh yeah. Let's see what it'll do. No, nothing. Start and die. Start and die. Let's try it one more time. See what it'll do now. Alrighty, well, I do believe it's got a dirty carburetor, so let's open it up. You want to? I think I'm gonna pull the bowl first while we're sitting here. I'll just jerk that bowl off there, see what it looks like. Well, let me get a little cut. We'll catch it. Maybe the border. Not the cleanest in the world, but it'll do. Like Diesel Creek says, it ain't perfect, but it's perfect for what we're doing. Get this under it. Catch it. Nothing. It stinks. It stinks real good. So, bring you back. Well, while we're here, let's pull this bowl and see what it looks like inside. Well, you can tell the sugar ain't got much time on it, don't you? Come on, man. Oh yeah, that's nasty. I don't know how it got that bad. Look at that. Ugh, yeah. Guess we'll take it all off, won't we? Okay. Let me get some stuff rounded up, and then we'll just tear that carb off first. Alright, so we know that float's probably gummy and stuck in the closed position, right? So let me get my little cup over here. We'll pull that float down and see what kind of crap we get out of it, man. Not there, won't even go down. And I don't want to break it. So, we'll just, and this thing is full of gas too, so we'll just pinch that off, clean it, and go on about life. piss. Alrighty. Hopefully. I'm trying not to be in the way. Well, shit. Come on, Bubby. Come on. Well, I didn't want to, but I may have to pull one of these studs. Best way to do that is use one as a jam nut, like that right there. Obviously my needle nose ain't doing the best job. You get a wrench. See what this will do. Alright, now come on out of there. Yeah. Yeah. We can rotate it and get that out of the way. Oh, I lost it. The pen. Where'd the pen go? Did y'all see where it went? Somebody's got to be keeping an eye out for it. Come here, pen. Well, that ain't no good. That ain't no good at all. Gotta be here somewhere, don't it? I'm not saying it. It's definitely stuck. Well, let me find this pen and I'll bring you back. Let me get this thing fixed. Alright, I'll bring you back. Where in the lump, people? It's right here below me. Got it. Okay. Throw that in there. I think he's here. Neutral nose. I don't even know what y'all are looking at right now. Okay, y'all can see. We got, this is one with this, it's got the little spring underneath there. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but this needle is definitely stuck. So I think the best course of action is going to be to throw this in the ultrasonic and let that soften up all this varnish. And once that happens, I'll be able to pull that needle out. So that's what we'll do. And I'll bring you guys back once this baby's cleaned up, ready to reinstall, and we'll see if we can get this thing running, huh? I need, before I do anything, to see if I'm getting any fuel. Yep, we're getting gas. Okay. And it smells like good gas, so you know they filled this thing up trying to get it going. Couldn't get it going, so. All right, let's get this carb cleaned up, put it back together, and yeah, get ready to edge. Welcome back, people. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, that was the nastiest carburetor I think I've ever worked on. It took an hour to get the main jet out and the pilot jet out and the emulsion tube out. Finally got them out. And she's cleaned up, ready to go. So let's slap it on, see what happens. Okay. So we're gonna get this one on first. Uh-oh. Maybe not. Now let's try it again. Okay. Yeah, that was terrible. Yeah, I ain't never worked on one that was that bad. And me trying to tell you guys that this thing wasn't that old is malarkey, because the date of manufacture is 2015, September of 2015. So, yeah, she old. It just spent all of its time indoors apparently, huh? Looked like they might have used it 1 year and then let her sit. It ain't had a lot of time on it, I promise. Oh, alrighty. Let's get our little hoses hooked back up. And a little choke. What's going on here, huh? What the? Ah. Well, how did that? There we go. Man, that was a puzzle. That was sure enough a puzzle. Oh, hang on. Let me get this fuel line clamped back on. Like that. And this one. Like that. Did I push the cord? I sure did. Okay. Alright. On the home stretch now, ain't we? Except I don't know where that bolt went. What'd y'all do with it? Did y'all move it? Come on, bolt. Where you at? You kidding me? Maybe it's over here, huh? No? Oh, good grief. Where? Anyway, that's not going to keep us from trying it. I'll have to find it. Did something with it, I know. So, let me pull this clamp off. We'll give that carburetor some fuel, see if she's going to run over. I hope it don't. Yeah, that was terrible. I ain't never seen one that bad. Ever. Sorry if the wind's blowing. It's pretty windy out here. Well, I don't see any gas, so what do you say we yank on it, see if it'll start? What do you think? Let's try it out, make sure y'all can see. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Don't do that. No. Well. Alright. Make sure that choke is. Yeah, he's choked. Well, I'll tell you what I think is happening here is we've probably still got a little bit of old shit in the tank and it's trying to burn that out, trying to run it through. I'm going to set this thing at the end of the drive with the bale tied down. I'm going to let it run that whole tank of fuel out of it and see if she clears up. I think it's going to be fine. And it just needs to be used. They probably used it once in 2015 or 16 and let it sit and it ain't been touched since. Till they tried to put fuel in it and fire it up not long ago, so here we are. But anyways, I appreciate y'all joining in. This thing lives on and it's going to do some more edging. Matter of fact, I've got to run it for them. The lady asked me if I would run the edger for them the first time and get a good path started, so that's what we're going to do. Like and sub, thanks for joining in, and we'll catch y'all beautiful people on the next one.